Did you know that a head of broccoli is actually made up of hundreds of small flower buds? That's right, this familiar vegetable, known for its distinct tree-like shape and vibrant green hue, is a fascinating study in nature's design. Each head of broccoli, the part we typically consume, is an intricate collection of unopened flower buds. They cluster together, creating a pattern reminiscent of a fractal. This formation, scientifically known as an inflorescence, is both edible and highly nutritious. The texture of broccoli is another point of interest. Its stem is sturdy and fibrous, providing a satisfying crunch when bitten into. The buds at the top, on the other hand, are softer, with a slightly grainy feel. From its unique structure to its varying textures, broccoli is a testament to the wonders of nature's architecture. So the next time you bite into this nutrient-packed veggie, remember, broccoli, a vegetable we often see on our plates, is much more than meets the eye. But how does this vegetable with its unique structure grow? What you see on your plate as a single piece of broccoli is actually the result of a fascinating process that takes place over several months. Let's trace this journey together, from the humble beginnings of a seed to the glorious finale of a fully grown broccoli head. Our journey begins with the planting of the broccoli seeds. These are sown directly into the soil, preferably during early spring or late summer depending on the climate. The seeds are tiny but packed with potential. They are covered with a layer of soil and watered regularly, waiting for the magic of germination to begin. Within a week or two, under the right conditions, the seeds will germinate. This is when the first tiny sprouts of the broccoli plant make their appearance. It's a significant moment in the life cycle of the broccoli, marking the transition from seed to plant. As weeks pass, the sprouts grow taller, stronger, and start to develop leaves. This growth phase is crucial and requires plenty of sunlight, water, and nutrients. The plant is steadily growing, preparing for the next big step, the formation of the broccoli head. After about 2 to 3 months from planting, the broccoli plant is ready to form the head. This is the part we're most familiar with, the part we eat. It begins as a small, tight cluster of buds at the center of the plant, surrounded by leaves. These buds are the beginnings of hundreds of tiny flowers. Over the next few weeks, the cluster of buds grows larger and denser, forming what we recognize as a head of broccoli. It's a marvel to behold, a testament to the wonders of nature and the cycle of life. Harvesting usually happens before these buds bloom into flowers. The broccoli head is cut from the plant and eventually makes its way to your dinner plate, ready to be enjoyed. And there you have it, the life of a broccoli plant from seed to your dinner plate. But what about the broccoli head itself? How did these small flower buds come together to form what we recognize as broccoli? Well, let's dive into the captivating journey of how this nutritious masterpiece takes shape. As the broccoli plant matures, it develops a thick central stem. This stem is no ordinary one, my friends. It's like the sturdy trunk of a tree, the backbone of our beloved broccoli, and the mainstay of all the action that's about to unfold. As days go by, this stem doesn't just sit idle. It gets ready for a spectacle of nature, slowly but surely preparing to sprout a cluster of tightly packed flower buds. These buds are the very essence of what we know as the broccoli head. They're like tiny green gems huddling together, creating the familiar shape we all recognize. But these buds aren't there just for the aesthetics. They play a vital role in the broccoli's growth process. Each of these buds is a potential flower, waiting for its moment to bloom. But here's the catch. We harvest broccoli just before that happens. Yes, you heard that right. The broccoli you see in your local grocery store is actually a bunch of flower buds that haven't bloomed yet. The formation of the broccoli head is a fascinating balancing act of nature. The plant has to simultaneously manage the growth of the stem, the development of the buds, and ensure that they all come together in a tightly packed cluster. It's like a grand orchestra where each instrument plays a critical role, and together they create a harmonious symphony of growth. The broccoli head is not just a part of the plant, it's the culmination of a meticulous process, the finale of a beautiful ballet of nature. It's a testament to the fact that even the simplest of things often have a complex story behind them. This complex process transforms a simple stem into a delicious and nutritious vegetable. So next time you're munching on broccoli, remember, you're not just eating a vegetable, you're partaking in a marvel of nature. So, what have we learned about the mighty broccoli? Well, we've dived deep into the world of broccoli, uncovering its secrets and exploring its journey from a tiny seed to the formidable green powerhouse on our plates. This cruciferous vegetable, a member of the Brassica family, has a life cycle that's as fascinating as its nutritional profile. Let's recap. We've seen how broccoli starts its life as a seed, sprouting into a plant with large leafy greens. As it matures, the plant starts to develop a head, which is where the magic happens. This head isn't just a simple lump of green. No, it's a complex structure made up of hundreds of tiny flower buds, each waiting for its moment to bloom. The growth process of broccoli is intricate and fascinating. The head forms from a collection of flower buds that are tightly packed together. These buds grow and expand, eventually forming the familiar broccoli head we all recognize. But if left to grow further, these buds would bloom into bright yellow flowers, revealing the plant's true nature as a flowering species. So why should we care about broccoli's growth process? Well, aside from marveling at nature's ingenuity, understanding this process helps us appreciate the nutritional value packed into every head of broccoli. This vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, along with fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. But the marvel of broccoli doesn't end there. This humble vegetable has been linked to numerous health benefits, from boosting immune health to reducing the risk of chronic diseases. It's no wonder that broccoli is often hailed as a superfood. In conclusion, broccoli is more than just a vegetable. It's a marvel of nature, a testament to the intricate processes that occur in the natural world. It's a symbol of the incredible journey that every piece of food undertakes from seed to plate. Next time you eat broccoli, remember the journey it took to get to your plate. It truly is a marvel of nature.